In this video, I will demonstrate how to disable post revisions in WordPress. And as an example, let's open the sample post on my site. And on the right, you'll see there are 12 revisions. So for the purpose of this example, I wish to disable the revision option in WordPress. And to achieve the result, we're going to be adding a short line of code to the wp-config file. So first, we'll log into your hosting account and then look for the file manager. Then go ahead and open it. Then look for the public HTML folder. And in my case, that's where my WordPress is installed. Then go ahead and look for the file called wp-config.php. And before you make any changes to it, make sure to have a full backup copy of the website. And also, it's a good idea to download the file to local computer. So let me go ahead and right-click on it and press download. Now it's downloaded. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and make some edits. So let me click on edit, edit. And let me see, we're going to be adding the changes. Roughly, in my case, on line 92, there's this text, that's all, stop editing, happy publishing. We're going to be adding a piece of code right in here. So let's go to WordPress resources. In fact, I will link the link to this page in the video description. And you're going to be looking for this line of code. Define WP post revisions false. Let's go ahead and copy it and paste it just above that's all stop editing right here. And we want to keep it as false. In other words, WordPress post revisions will be disabled. Now let's go ahead and save the changes. Now let me go back to my site, and once I refresh the post page, you'll notice the revision option will be disabled. And just like this, the revisions are no longer available. Alternatively, there's also an option to limit the maximum number of revisions, such as, in my case, I had 12 revisions for the post. But let's say I can change it to maximum number of 5. So instead of false, let's type 5 and then press save changes. Now let me once again go back to the post page. So there are 12 revisions. Once I make one revision on this particular post, you'll notice it's going to be show maximum number of 5. Yeah, just like this. And it will apply to all other posts. So this is pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial useful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.